Question 6. From 5 boys and 7 girls, 2 children will be chosen at random to work together on a project. Which of the following probability trees could be used to determine the probability of choosing a boy and a girl? This is an example of two-stage selection without replacement. In the first stage, there are 12 people to choose from, 5 boys and 7 girls, which means that the denominators of the fractions that represent the probabilities in the first stage should be 12. Now, after the first stage has taken place, that is, one person is chosen without replacement, that leaves 11 people left to choose from, which means that the fractions that represent the probabilities of the second stage should be out of 11. So if you look at options A and B, the denominators of the fractions in the second stage are 12, which means options A and B are both incorrect. Let's consider the probability of choosing a girl in the first stage and then a girl in the second stage. So in the first stage, the probability of choosing a girl will be 7 out of 12, or 7 over 12. That leaves 6 girls left to choose from out of 11 in the second stage. So if we consider option C, the probability of choosing a girl in the second stage should be 6 out of 11, not 7 out of 11. So option C is also incorrect. This leaves option D. And in fact, the probability of choosing a girl in the second stage, as we've worked out previously, is 6 out of 11. Therefore, the answer is option D.